Hello everyone, and welcome to another Office Logic Shop video about the various problems you may face with your Herman Miller Aeron chair. Today's video will be the arm edition. We will show you 4 problems that could happen to your Aeron's arm and how to fix that. You can find the links to the full videos in the description. Let's start. The first video is about the arm index. The arm index on a Herman Miller Aeron chair refers to the adjustment mechanism for the armrests of the chair. It allows users to modify the height and, in some models, the angle and horizontal position of the armrests to ensure the user gets the maximum ergonomic benefit and comfort. Adjusting the armrests correctly is a key aspect of ergonomic seating. Proper armrest adjustment can help reduce the strain on the neck, shoulders, and wrists. Usually, some of the signs that indicate you have a problem with armrest index are difficulty adjusting height, loose armrests, limited or no horizontal movement, or noticeable noises. While some minor noises can be normal when adjusting, any unusual or loud sounds during adjustment could indicate a problem. This video shows you how to easily replace the index. If you're wondering where to get the index from, we have a link in the description as well. Next, we have a video about the loose armrests on the Aeron Classic Edition. This one is an Office Logic Shop exclusive that was never shown by anyone before. The beauty of this solution is it will actually cost you less than $1. Some people will immediately tell you to go buy a new arm yoke and a swing arm, which could cost you around $250. Well, not on our watch. All you need is an E-clip and a screwdriver and you're ready to go. As for fixing the arm mechanism on the Aeron Remastered, we also have a video for that. The arm mechanism in the Aeron Remastered serves several key purposes, all aimed at enhancing user comfort, ergonomics, and adaptability to different body sizes and work tasks. Herman Miller's reputation comes from its ergonomic functions and design, so the arm mechanism serves this ergonomic purpose to ensure that the user can maintain a natural arm and shoulder posture, especially when typing or using a mouse. So what happens when there's a problem with the arm mechanism? If any part of the arm mechanism feels jammed or shows unexpected resistance when trying to make adjustments, this could be a sign of malfunction or damage. Another clear sign is mismatched arm levels. If after adjusting both armrests to the same height they don't align properly, this could suggest a problem with one of the mechanisms. Naturally, there are the usual signs of unresponsiveness and not being able to or finding some difficulties in adjusting the height. Lastly, this video shows you how to replace the flip knob on your Herman Miller Aeron Remastered. The flip lever mechanism is essential since it makes it easy and intuitive to adjust the height of the armrests to suit your ergonomic needs and personal comfort. Once the internal flip knob gets damaged, you won't be able to fully adjust the arms. It can be damaged through applying too much force or pressure can wear it out or damage its internal components. Another reason could be constant adjustment. While the mechanism is designed for regular use, extremely frequent adjustments can lead to wear and tear over time. Impacts also contribute directly to that. Hitting the armrests or the lever against hard surfaces, such as a desk or wall, can damage the mechanism. Now you know some of the most common problems with the arms on the Herman Miller Aeron chairs. Do you want to learn more about or fix more issues? Then you should definitely subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.